His Excellency Sasayama Takuya, ambassador wa Japan mu Uganda, ayebembiro kwigura cyombe kweki ekiri kuza kubanikira zabishigani 16.
Thank you to the application from St. Kizito. We have chosen this school to be our grassroots project for this year. We were interested in supporting, empowering women and among others, the young women students.
Wabireho Minister wa PIDA n'enshonga za Karamoja, Engineer John Byabagambe, niwe yashakira itendekereri.
To tell you have passed through a technical school, you are not going to excel. Most of good engineers have gone through technical schools. And they have got master's degrees and PhDs. Tinkarebe builder wumoro
oguyasha abatura okutazwanze ntunguka n'ebyobutegeki.
Come here, see what is going on here. Mutakaja mu politics power. I called people to see what is going on here. Agokuba, there is no Gomborera. Intarombe Chiremu secondary school nungi. And Chichuzi. And I will give the reasons why Chichuzi.
Okuljirar mukuru w'ebyobwegiso muri Banda Peter Nsimire district eyina amatendekero 5 g'ebyemikono bwa hati.
Okuljirar mu district vocational schools zitanu zitwine abeegi bariyo akuba twine institution eri hansi y'abana 100 kandi ntureba ngu abaziire nibo bari kutamu ekintu eky'amaani n'abeegi abamwe bakireba ngu ebyemikono ni ibigendo meisho
umuranga ogundi kuterera abaziire no kugira ngo tufeyo okugira ngo twahereza abana bitu obwegese kugira ngo nyencha kare yabo yabanungi.
Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.